Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be visiting Kerala in the first week of March for the culmination of BJP's Vijay Yatra. The Yatra was flagged off by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on February 21st. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also expected to visit Kerala and address various rallies ahead of the crucial state election. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated India's first ever toy fair. Prime Minister Modi in his tweet said that this fair will bring together various stakeholders associated with the sector. Through such efforts, we aim to add momentum to the efforts of toy industry to grow further. Rahul Gandhi's North-South remark hasn't gone down well with anyone, and the list also seems to include many Congress leaders from North India who today are likely to make a strong statement against the top leadership in Jammu. The G23 leaders, comprising several senior party leaders, will hold a show of strength in Jammu today. Post the announcement by the Election Commission on the poll dates for 4 states and 1 union territory, Model Code of Conduct comes into force in these places. The voting will begin on March 27th and counting of votes will take place on May 2nd. Election in West Bengal will be held in 8 phases, while in Assam, the voting will take place in 3 phases. In Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, the voting will take place in a single phase. The opposition leader staged a protest and tried to stop Governor outside the Himachal Pradesh Assembly on February 26. The Congress members misbehaved with the Governor, following which an FIR was registered against the 5 suspended MLAs in Shimla. 16,488 fresh COVID-19 cases were registered in India. 12,771 people have been discharged, while 113 people succumbed to the highly contagious disease as per the Union Health Ministry. Total cases in the country stand at 1,10,79,979. The death toll in the country is at 1,56,938. Bollywood actor Hrithik Roshan appeared before the Mumbai Crime Branch Intelligence Unit today to record his statement in connection with the case registered against actress Kangana Ranaut involving email exchanges between the two stars. Kangana and Hrithik slapped legal notices against each other in 2016. The United States has released a declassified intel report which has accused Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman of approving the grisly murder of journalist Jamal Khashoggi. However, the kingdom has vehemently denied the allegations made on the Crown Prince. Veteran Indian spinner Ravichandran Ashwin revealed that he became a cricketer accidentally. The right-arm spinner said he was actually a cricket lover who then went on to become a cricketer. Ashwin created history during the 3rd Test match against England in Ahmedabad when he became only the 4th Indian bowler to bag 400 wickets in Test cricket.